Okay, guys, before you go into the next section, I'm just going to run over the parts of speech note taker really quickly. This is just kind of we're like I said in previous stuff, we're just kind of building the foundation for grammar here. So basically, what it's going to do is just give you descriptions, sort of like definitions for the parts of speech. There's some other things in there too that it's going to ask you to do, like examples. So like the first one is noun. Obviously, noun is nouns name a person, place, thing, or idea. Now, for the second part, you're going to have to list some of those examples. All I want you to do is give it a try where you are right now. Meaning, like, don't look anything up on the internet. Don't skip ahead to the answers. Don't whatever. You're going to get the answers anyway. Don't care. Doesn't matter. Right now, all I want you to do is give it a try and see where you are. Get your mind, kind of familiar with some of these definitions. Let it start thinking in that direction of identifying some of these parts of speech and how they function. When you are done with that, when you've given it a try and you've filled out as much of that as you can, the next part will be the parts of speech note taker answers. So it's going to give you the definitions right here in red for all of the parts of speech. So if there are some that you don't know, you can kind of go through these and find them. There are some dots here, which we usually do some things with in class. So for right now, I'm just going to have you hold off on that. I put this up as your answer key so that when you're all done, you can go back in and complete any of the other sections that you have not completed that are still blank. So use these two and kind of get familiar with the definitions before you move on to the next section.